Upgrading with DJI Go 4. Power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Connect one side of the OTG cable to the microSD port on the aircraft, and connect the other side to your mobile device. Please make sure that your mobile device is connected to a mobile or Wi-Fi network. Launch DJI Go 4. When a firmware upgrade is available, a notification will be displayed in the app. Select the notification and a download menu will pop up. Tap Download Now. The app will start downloading the firmware package. When downloading is complete, the app will prompt that the aircraft should be connected. After the aircraft is connected, tap Start Update. The gimbal will be powerless during upgrading, and it's normal for the aircraft to restart automatically. Do not power off the aircraft, turn off the app, unplug any cables, or turn off the remote controller. It will take about 15 minutes to upgrade the firmware. When finished, the app will display a notification indicating that the update is complete. If you have multiple Phantom 4 Pro intelligent batteries, insert each additional battery and perform the preceding steps to upgrade. If the upgrade fails, reboot the aircraft and try again. If upgrading fails repeatedly, please contact DJI support. Thank you for watching.